InterServer VPS Hosting Review. In this video, we'll be reviewing InterServer VPS Hosting, and I've included links to the product in the description below. InterServer is known for providing cost-effective, reliable, and high-performance VPS hosting solutions, ideal for small to medium-sized businesses, developers, and anyone looking for a robust hosting option that doesn't break the bank. One of the standout features of InterServer VPS hosting is the customizability. You have complete control over your server's resources, including CPU, RAM, and storage. With InterServer, you can choose between self-managed VPS or fully managed VPS, depending on how hands-on you want to be. For users looking for flexibility, you can easily scale your resources as your needs grow, making it suitable for both startups and larger, more established websites. Performance-wise, InterServer offers SSD storage, ensuring that your website loads quickly and that there is minimal latency. Their servers are known for their reliable uptime, with 99.9% uptime guarantees. This means your website stays online and accessible without experiencing significant disruptions, which is crucial for maintaining a positive user experience. Security is also a strong focus with InterServer. The platform comes with free DDoS protection, firewalls, and regular backups to safeguard your data and ensure business continuity in case of unforeseen issues. If you're running mission-critical applications, these security features are essential. Additionally, you have full root access to your VPS, which gives you the flexibility to install and configure custom software or optimize your server environment to your specific needs. Support is another area where InterServer excels. They offer 24/7 customer service, which is essential if you encounter issues or need technical assistance. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced user, their team is available to help with troubleshooting or server management. In conclusion, InterServer VPS hosting is a great choice for anyone needing a customizable, high-performance, and affordable VPS solution. With a reliable network, excellent customer support, and scalable plans, it's a solid option for both new users and experienced developers. Whether you're hosting a blog or running a business, InterServer delivers the resources and reliability you need to ensure your website runs smoothly.